Hi, my name is Andy Evansen, and I'm pleased to offer you these painting demonstrations in watercolor. Watercolor is such a beautiful medium, but it definitely has its challenges, and I'm confident these videos will answer many of your questions and make things just a little simpler as you continue to practice and learn. I've chosen a variety of scenes which allows me to touch on methods for handling objects in the landscape, from trees and buildings to vehicles and figures. I'll give you tips from the initial drawing on how to improve your shape making to color mixing and emphasizing your area of interest. You'll see how I work on wet paper and still damp washes to take advantage of lost edges and how that can add energy to your painting. I'll also discuss the importance of negative shape making as I build my paintings up from light to dark, something that's unique to watercolor due to its transparency. The reason watercolor is such a challenging medium is due to the fact that every wash, virtually every decision you make, affects each subsequent wash, so the importance of good planning is vital. Painting should be fun, not scary, and I want you to enjoy the journey, so I hope you'll come aboard as I help you simplify the process.